This is the Kitchen Pro 25 centimeter or 10-inch culinary spatula. Okay, what's advantageous about this culinary spatula? It's made of silicone and it can handle high heat. This is made out of beech wood, so it really is very durable. You know, for scratch-free cooking and baking, when you're using coated surfaces or enameled surfaces, this safeguards your non-stick cookware from scuffs and scratches in the Kitchen Pro silicone spatula collection. Look at this. I use it for everything, even sinangag, because it's beautifully flexible. The Kitchen Pro culinary and pastry silicone spatula is designed to excel in a variety of culinary tasks. It's the perfect tool for mixing and scraping gravies, purees, sauces, even whipped cream. And this is so multi-purpose, offering a durable alternative to your traditional wooden gadgets. So, what are you waiting for? Get a hold of these silicone coated spatulas from Kitchen Pro. Truly, the culinary